So this course, A Practical Guide to Teaching and Sequencing a Restorative Practice, is a 2-day course. As compared to the Relax and Restore Level 1 in immersion, the intensive is 35 hours over 5 days. The 5-day course, we learn in detail the foundational poses, the foundational restorative poses. And we also go into detail about, yes, the 5 kosha and the teaching methodology and the philosophy, history behind restorative yoga, etc. Whilst this 2-day practical guide is very much about class management. Now that you have those information about those poses in and out, inside out, the variations of it, etc., how do we put together and practically present it or hold space for yourself or your students to facilitate the relaxation response and environment for relaxation?